Hey, what's up, guys? How's everybody doing? So, we're just waiting for our guest to join. Hey, what's up, guys? How's everybody doing? So, we're just waiting for our guest to join. So, are you guys ready for tomorrow? This is the biggest day in trading. NFP Friday. Are you guys ready? So, are you guys ready for tomorrow? This is the biggest day in trading. NFP Friday. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing?
What's happening, man? What's happening, man? I'm good. I'm good. That side.
I know here it's just a little bit hot, but other than that, can't complain, bro.
Nice, 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 nice. I'm waiting for the other niggas now. They are going to join soon.
Yeah, okay, cool, man. How's load shedding that side?
Hey, luckily today we didn't have load shedding, but it's been bad this side, dog. I won't lie. We had load shedding on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Imagine.
Man, I don't understand what exactly is load shedding. I just hear
You
of
know,
it. Like,
you know what it is,
I
thing,
see the
dog.
meme.
Just clarifies that our country is corrupt. Basically, our people who create electricity, they're owing money to, other companies that create electricity because the people at the top are eating the man. You understand? So yeah, that's the
Oh,
problem.
okay.
That's why us as traders, we must make enough money to provide electricity. You understand? We must change this
Yeah,
state.
you get your own generators and stuff.
Imagine you are hosting there, having a PC on a session, and then all of a sudden, zoo, gone.
I mean, here we do also have like electricity
Load-shedding vibes.
tripping, but it's not as bad. Like here, it will just happen like once in 2 months or once in a while.
Can't they, if you after load shedding, what happens when you guys have like a load shedding thing? Like, for how many hours do you like lose? Can you accept my twin there?
Okay, let me accept it.
Yeah.
Nah, it doesn't
See,
last
it
long. Like it's
doesn't last long.
just it trips for a while and that's it. Like and then we're back. We're back.
Yo, what's up?
Hey,
What's
how's
up,
it, bro?
man?
What's happening, niggas?
Nah, we're all
We
good,
good.
man.
We
Just
good, man.
can't wait for tomorrow, man.
NFP things. NFP things. I actually can't wait to come to Namibia next year. We're coming to Namibia there next year. Wanna see you guys there, you know what I mean? Wanna come
Nah,
over there.
we're expecting
Yo,
you guys.
PTA, the FXGOATS are coming tomorrow. Be there, my face, to NFP
Yes, sir.
live.
Guys, I want to give an update, guys. Those who want to come tomorrow and those who might have not booked, make sure you go to Vault Market, go to the bio, click the link on the bio. Basically, that is the place whereby you can go and book your seat and secure your spot for tomorrow. We have like around 50 people left, so it's almost booked out. I would say that the best time to go there and register would be in an hour's time, basically. So
Yeah, man.
yeah, that's the time
You
you
wanna
have.
help, if you want us to help you turn your 1,000 into 10,000 in a day, pull up and see the
Pull up.
FXGOATS killing NFP live, dog.
Dog, I want to
Yo,
ask you something, bro.
Yo,
guys, I don't have a filter.
With regards to NFP, are you also gonna be trading NFP tomorrow?
yeah, of course I have to. I'm trading it at the office tomorrow.
Oh, wait.
Right.
Yeah,
So will you be like hosting a live?
Yeah, I'll be doing it with people who are attending at the office, and I'll also be doing it on a live stream.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the same thing. Maybe we can join them because I'm also gonna go live.
Yeah, and then it's just, whole thing like Namibia, South Africa, everybody's trading NFP with the best broker.
You see what I mean?
best
You see what
broker.
I mean? That's the vibes. That's
Yeah,
the
Where's my
vibes. The
important.
best broker current.
Key
The best
word,
broker.
best broker.
Malume just
Wait,
joined now.
All right.
Accept Malume there.
Okay, cool. Let me do that.
Oh, la. Guys, do you guys realize I have beignets, man? The comment section, do you realize your boy has beignets, man?
Guys, I can't even speak properly now, man. The fuck?
Yeah, give me a shout out. Give me a shout out, man.
When did you get the veneers, bro?
Yes.
It's been 2 weeks now. It's been 2 weeks now, dog. I had like brown teeth, like fucked up brown teeth because of the water where I came
How much
from.
water? See how much
Oh.
water, man.
how much will fuck you up?
Nah,
So when I went to the dentist, she told me she can't save these teeth. I can only get, some veneers and types like that.
Hey, but he declined, bro. Let me try adding him again. Tell him to join again.
Okay, let me text him here on the side. PTA. Oh, those who are wondering when PTA, we're going to Enco Complex. Enco Complex PTA. It's not main lane, guys. Do not go to main lane. If you go to main lane, you will not find the goats. We'll be at Enco Complex.
Yeah.
Let me write it down.
Put up, from 12 o'clock, isn't it?
No, we're starting from 1, so you can come from 12 because we're starting at 1.
The thing is, the majority is black people,
all the way
so
to
we can't
4.
say 1 o'clock. You know us.
Okay, yeah.
You know us.
We know black people.
When we say 1 o'clock, they want to be there too.
Yeah, you should tell them 12:30.
So, Brody, I want to ask you, man, about NFP, dog. When did you start trading NFP?
Actually, I was actually starting off with fundamentals because I used to use this one strategy where we used to trap the price between buy stops and sell stops.
Yeah,
I get it. So you've been trading since
when did you start trading?
2020.
I was back in 2017, man. But things.
Exactly. I wanted to say that. I wanted to say the best time fundamentals were actually in charge for technicals.
The new school don't know fundamentals.
Yeah, the new school doesn't know. Before technicals was famous, all traders that were traders were fundamental traders. Yeah. Fundamentals was moving the market.
The CPIs, the interest rates, like those were the things we used to look out for.
Yeah, crazy. Cat news, you know what I mean? Those news in 2 a.m. they would move you. You'd see some craziest spikes ever, dog. Crazy, dog.
And back then, like that's when you could actually double an account. Doubling an account back then was a big thing.
There was a time actually. Can I say something quickly? The biggest flex was saying that I killed NFP consecutively.
NFP
was 6 months in a row. Right. That's a flex. NFP 6 months in a row I killed NFP.
Yeah, that was a big flex.
Yeah. What's happening to flex, dog?
But then
I don't know. It's probably having network issues.
Yeah, then we basically moved over to technicals, and we never looked back since then.
Yeah, facts. When did you generally started moving to technicals? I started around going in technicals 2019.
2018.
Yeah.
Late
2018 we were just try. It was still strong. NFP and anything else, fundamentals were super strong. With time, they've been declining, losing its power. But nonetheless, those who want fundamentals, you can still trade things like NFP left. It still has some few, volatility left in the market.
Right.
Oh, JJ.
This network is bad.
Jack, how are you rich if you have network problems?
No, man. I'm in the hood, man. What's happening?
In the hood. Crazy.
That's popping. Do people know what's happening tomorrow? Do people know what's happening tomorrow?
I don't think so. I think we should tell them.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell people, guys, tomorrow, if you are ready to see the nicest cars in the game, pull out. If you are ready to see, if you are ready to see the financial freedom, pull out. If you are ready,
it's not gonna be a long story.
Nah, we're cutting the stories short.
Yeah.
It's short.
Yeah.
One thing
if you want to kill NFP, pull up tomorrow, dog. If you want to kill NFP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
but guys, I have a question.
When you're around Pretoria, pull up. At Hatfield, man.
JJ, you are cutting.
Am I
I
lacking?
have a,
We're listening.
I have a general question. I mean, we have been mentioning this quite a lot, but you know, there are a few people out there who just don't know what this is yet. What exactly is NFP, guys? For those who don't know.
Non-farm payrolls. So basically, every Friday, every beginning Friday of the month, USA is going to release its non-payrolls, whatever, and that is NFP, guys. So basically, the US market has the biggest influence because of USD. So whenever USD releases it's more like the employment rate. You know what I mean? Whenever there's employment rate, stuff like that, that's what will affect the market, and hence we're going to have NFP.
Basically, in simple terms or in layman's terms, I would say that when they check in the employment rate and the people who are not employment rate in America, basically. So yeah, if it's positive, that's when we're gonna see USD gaining power. If it's not, then we're gonna see basically USD losing its power. So I'd say this for those who wanna trade NFP and then you see that fundamentals are positive. I'd say the NFP is positive. Then the USD first, which is a base currency, then you're gonna expect buys. Then if the USD is the second pair, which is the code currency, then you should expect sells. Such things.
So what are your favorite commodities when it comes to trading NFP?
For me, I'm not gonna lie, man.
That's a good question. What's yours?
For me, it's definitely gold. Gold for me.
Always gold. Gold is the best because I feel like gold is the only thing that's makes a bit more than currencies, but makes also a bit less than Nasdaq and indices. Because you don't want
I feel like it's a combination. Continue. I'll speak after.
Yeah, because you don't want something that moves very aggressively like Nasdaq, or you don't want something that does not move at all like currencies. You want something in the middle like gold. So I really like gold a lot.
Facts. I want to add up by saying I feel like it's a mixture of currencies and indices. You know what I mean? Nasdaq and currencies together. Yeah. The volatility is also different.
Why do you want to avoid stuff like Nasdaq?
Okay. For me personally, at this point, I wouldn't avoid it anymore. But given the fact that I'll also be trading in front of a lot of people, and a lot of people's accounts will basically be on my shoulders, I wouldn't want to trade something that would basically not be a challenge for a small account. You know, like the type of movement you can get on an index is on that type of news release. It is quite enough to wipe out like accounts.
Yes, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money as well.
Exactly.
I feel like
and the thing is, people are funding like a minimum of 500, and I mean we all know the story with 500.
Small spike. One pullback. I wanted to say
one
fundamentals. Fundamentals it's like leverage. It's a double-edged sword, meaning that you can kill, but if you're not careful, you can kill yourself instead by trying to kill another person. You understand? I feel like many people don't realize that as long as you enter with a small account, even though the market will go to the anticipated direction, if your account won't survive the drawdowns, because that's one thing you should also know. If you're trading the first week of the month, also the market makers know that you also just got paid. You understand? So that is the best time to also manipulate the market. So hence we always see that it's best to always trade less on NFP week. And also on the NFP day, you should never go there with small funds because the market will be highly volatile. It will basically spike you out before going to overall direction.
Fact.
You know what I mean?
I guess I spit it.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. So I ask you something though.
And how was your? Oh, you wanna ask me something?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, bro.
I wanna ask you, dog. That side in Namibia, dog. How do you feel like forex trading changed everything for you guys in general?
Okay, I'd say with Namibia, it's kind of a more slower learning curve because actually all the information and everything we know about trading here, it's coming from South Africa. So
for real.
For real, bro. Like where I actually started seeing progress was when I attended a seminar of a mentor from South Africa. So it's a very slower learning curve here, but we're kind of getting there now. You know, like the industry is picking up. You know, people are actually you can actually see tangible assets people are getting from this whole trading thing. But I mean, it's a few of us. Like it's a handful of us that you could say are actually like doing it big this side. But I mean, people are picking up as well, and
that's good.
yeah. But it's still we're still getting there, you know.
Yeah. But shout out, dog. Shout out. So you guys are like the pioneers now, like for Namibia. You guys are like
You are the
moving.
Jason Noah's basically.
Yes.
Yeah, the Jason Noah 2.0, FXGOATS 2.0, you know.
Shout out.
We actually have a
Bro.
surprise, actually. I didn't want to spoil the surprise, but for those who are on the live, let me just spoil the surprise for you guys because not everyone is on this live. We actually have a guest speaker tomorrow, guys, and it will be Jason himself. So you don't want to miss this, guys.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. I also online, man. Obviously, Jason Noah started training before us.
Yeah.
At some point, he was our inspiration as well. He was one of the people that inspired us to continue, especially on the day where he posted his birthday party for himself, celebrating his parents.
The 21st
The
birthday.
21st.
Yeah, no,
Those
one really
times.
inspired all of
When I
us.
felt like quitting, I just watched that video, man. You understand? Things like that, they mean a lot. People don't even know.
Yeah, and I feel like it's our job to also carry on that tradition. You know, we also got to do things like that because you don't know who's about to give up, and it's actually looking towards us, and it's like, you know what, FXGOATS are doing it big, so there's no way I can give up. You know.
Away.
People don't know that it's actually hard, man. To be a trader, it's not an easy thing.
Yeah. And you know the second time, okay, because I told you guys I traded fundamentals before I moved to technicals. So after the technicals, I would say the next time I did come trade NFP again.
Yo, Jax is in the live. He's saying you must accept his request. He's been sending the request.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So the next time next time I traded NFP was when Jason came here and he hosted an NFP here at Namibia at the offices. And you know, he actually showed me quite a lot on how he actually trades it, everything, just step by step, man. And I remember there was one thing I asked him before we stepped out on to go to the people. I asked him, bro, it's about over 200 people here, and all these people are depending on you to make profit. Isn't this a lot of pressure? And he answered me saying one thing, and I'll never forget that thing. He said, when you understand the game, you don't
panic.
You don't panic. Yeah, exactly. When you understand the game, you don't panic. And he went out there and he killed it, bro. Like that was so inspiring for me, man.
Shout out to the bro, man. Shout out to the nigga, man. Those also was the same thing. Remember to pull up tomorrow, man. We're having Jason Noah as a guest. Pull up. We're killing NFP live, guys. We're gonna help you 10. Like I said, tomorrow, your 1K into 10K. You know the vibes.
We have also Dr. Martin. He said he's pulling up. We have
Dr. Martin. You're gonna see the doctor on the markets there.
Guys that are pulling up tomorrow to support the game, but not about us. This thing is bigger than us. It's about the whole game.
It's about the whole thing, man. You know, so, there's also one thing I wanted to say. Tomorrow, guys, expecting to see blue seat. You see blue seat. Tomorrow's gonna be a blue seat.
What is the location, man? What is the location?
The location is Complex, Pretoria. No, man, they're saying they're live. They're saying the NFP tomorrow. No, NFP, guys. Tomorrow, guys. PTA. For those who just entered the live, make sure you book your seats. Go to the Vault Markets page. Click the link on the bio. That is where you're gonna register and basically book your spot. Do understand, guys? We have limited space. So I would say the earliest bid will catch the fattest worm. And another thing, guys, the thing is, guys, we want to help you live. This thing of you guys always seeing us on Instagram, nah, man. You must come and meet us live so we can help you on a one-on-one level, you know, on a personal level.
The people are asking here in the comments, what type of cars will they be expecting to see?
What do you want to see?
I know for a fact they're going to be R8s there.
Let it be a surprise. Let it be a surprise. For those who come tomorrow, they'll just see. We'll take pictures, whatever they want, videos. Yo, man, anything.
And
That's the thing.
So
FXGOATS will be showing people tomorrow. If you come, you're gonna be the first. We didn't post it. We posted that side. You might be the first one to see that car tomorrow.
And that's the thing, guys. You know, sometimes inspiration, it really works like that. You really need to see these things and experience them live. If you really want to change your life, if you really want that extra impact, come through, man. Pull up, and you're gonna see what we're gonna do.
So, man, how was you guys' first time trading NFP, man?
Hey. Should I tell them what happened? The day we stopped. Did we blow our account, dog? You know, the day we stopped. I'll tell you the day we stopped, man. The day we stopped, I was still at rest. We were staying in a 3-unit apartment, meaning that we have like two people each room, but there's 3 rooms, so we're 6 in one room. Yeah, you understand? In one, it's a house. Yeah, it's one unit. It's a house, and it has 3 rooms, 2 people each, so we're 6, right? So I told the other 4 guys we're sharing the room with, deposit with us, guys. Let's at least have a minimum of 10,000. We added on top with 15,000. We traded NFT. That day, my twin was right. He was like, TP, we are buying GBP USD. I went to the charts. I was too happy, man. You understand? I was too happy, too excited. I didn't actually see the pair. I went to GBP NZD. Yes. So what happened was actually went my twin, we gave the signal. And I'm also trading myself. My twin said, GBP buys. He's too happy. Yo, buys killed me. 15K. 3 lot size ones. Like basically 3 lot size. It went down. Whole lot size. You understand? Yo,
and
it just went down blue and then short. He was saying, yo, we killed TP. We killed me. I'm like this. Yes. I'm like, dog, what's wrong? Dog, what's wrong? We killed. Why aren't you happy? Why aren't you happy? Yeah.
I'm saying that time you weren't using the best broker, so the losses were big.
Yo, you see the problem? Another problem. I was not using both market. It blew my money. The niggas had us screaming, had my twins screaming. They also saw the buy. They were happy. They're like, tomorrow, guys, the twins are right, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna get money. And some of that money we borrowed it, dog. We borrowed some of that money. Yes. Now they explain. That day I moved to technically. I moved to technicals 100%. I had cut fundamentals, and then after like 6 months, we started going back to fundamentals. Basically becoming sentimental traders, trading both. Yeah. But before then, it took those 6 months off. Yeah. Like, for us, that's where we saw the risk of fundamentals. I would say fundamentals is nice, but I feel like it's 70 times more riskier than basically technical analysis. Because even though you can win 8 times in a row, it will only take 1 loss and you can lose everything. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing we saw fundamentals. There's just a lot of risk, man. Yo, too much.
Okay. So background, what's happening? Let's discuss them.
I'm at a different place now, dog. I'm not in SA. You see, for me, it's still daylight. Different location.
So was it based off a news release, or was it based like off a technical approach?
Okay, let me tell you what we did. It was a news release, and we knew GBUSD was nice, but at that time GBNCD, it did have some more volatility than GPUSD. You know what I mean? So the reason he went for it, I feel like for him it could have been a mistake. I don't know, because the signal we gave was a GPUSD mistake. It was GPUSD, and he went for GBNCD. Maybe he wanted to make more money, but NZD pairs. I didn't actually see spike. I was too excited. NZD pairs, they never move in one direction a lot before actually going to any direction. They have a lot of manipulations. They have a lot of spikes. So that's what happened. Do the account, and from there it was a very long story.
But I mean, looking at the news releases since May, I mean, they've been positive, June positive, July positive. So hopefully, with the forecast for tomorrow, it's about 256,000. But I mean, if you know, looking at the way it's been looking positive, if we have a positive news release, I mean, we could be looking for short positions on gold, or what do you guys think?
Tomorrow,
England
okay.
must
I
pull
don't
up
want to
the-
lie.
Guys, don't give NFP signal.
Yeah,
Damn.
I want to say this. I don't want to spoil what's
Hey.
gonna happen tomorrow. They're gonna
Oh,
end
We
up
don't want to
trading here
spoil.
without us. They must come.
You know,
They must come see what we're gonna take.
you know what? When you are on the live, because we're gonna be also having a live stream. So when you're on the live stream tomorrow, you're gonna get a chance to also get the signal, and also when you are on live with us, which is like the live session, you're gonna also get a chance to get the session and get everything that you need there, and double it, and make money. That's what's important, man. We've been getting stories
okay.
like on Saturday, on weekdays, you only want to host on Saturdays. Now we're hosting on Friday during weekdays. We're gonna be
sir.
trading with to show that the skill is too loud. It's too loud. It's making a lot of noise.
It's too loud.
Facts.
Guys,
So, bro,
guys.
Namibia
Yeah.
talk. I wanna say something about Namibia first. I'll just put it out there already, guys. Next year, FXGOATS is coming to Namibia, man. We already have our guest Nika here. He'll be taking care of us, showing us all the ways around, meeting everybody. One thing I want to
Yeah,
tell you
no.
guys, with Forex trading, doesn't matter where you come from, doesn't matter which province or country you're in. Basically, this shows us that Forex trading can change anyone's life from any type of background, as long as you are willing to put in the hard work behind. You understand? Because I won't lie to you, because we don't have a barriers to entry, meaning that we don't have some sense of certificates to enter this industry. It doesn't mean that it's for everyone, because people just come here thinking we're playing my dice, we're playing dice things. You know what I mean? We're playing cards. Guys, this is not dice, this is not cards, guys. This requires hard work. This is the same
Correct.
as anything out there. If you wanna be a star at anything or a professional, you have to know that requires time.
Where will be the live stream? Whoever who signed up will get the link to the live stream. So it's for only those ones that signed up with the link we provided, and we're able to put account. So those are the only people who are gonna get the link to the live stream.
Facts.
Yeah, man, that's it from me. I don't know if you have anything else you wanna touch up on.
Yeah, from my side, man, what I would say is
basically-
that from my side, I'd say Forex, guys, Forex is not a trick. It's not something that you learn. It's not a trick. You know what I mean? Forex, it's a high income skill. So that means that is one of the skills you need in this generation we're going through, which is the fourth industrial revolution. So when it comes to learning a high income skill, man, you really need to get the proper help. You really need to get the proper education. So there's an opportunity for you guys to pull up and get to be taught by the GOATs, people who are already where you want to be, to help you get there as well. You know what I mean? So pull up buffet to FXGOATS tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're going to be there, Victoria, live.
Perfect.
So from my side,
Anything? Any last words, Jay?
My last word is: are you making money? It's a long story. If it's a long story, tomorrow.
Okay,
I
and
am
also
making
just
mine. Yeah, okay,
and
what's
also
your last words?
last words from me, guys. Listen here. Listen, you guys are very fortunate that you're getting an opportunity like this now. When we started, something like this was a myth. Like never, no mentor would ever be willing to have you even be around him, you know, trading an event of this significance. So you guys are very fortunate that Vaults Markets is hosting this, and you guys are fortunate to be trading with the best or one of the best in the industry, to actually just get to know how the NFP works. So you guys should really make most of this opportunity and, you know, come through and show up in numbers. Because trust me, man, this is once in a lifetime opportunity.
you have the man himself, man. Let's make money, guys. Let's make it a short story, man. Let's make money.
Yeah,
Let's go to
let's turn that long
mentor.
story short. Signing out.
Let's go to mentors.
Signing out.
Signing
Signing out.
Danke.
Now, thanks for coming through,
Thanks
guys.
so much.
Oh,
Bye.